Here again, Lawyer Chef. Welcome to Grandma Hadun's Recipe for Success channel. If you are here for the first time or you have not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button below and the thumbs up button. And don't forget to put your comments below. You will regret doing so. Because on this platform, we cook good food and make good food. We talk about food, that food is medicine and that you are what you eat. So today we are cooking spicy Asun jollof, peppered goat's meat sauce jollof. So let's get to it. All right. So we start by cooking our basmati rice. I have 4 cups of basmati rice that has been washed with salt and cleaned properly. And I have 1 liter of stock. This is goat's meat stock. So we are gonna cook the rice in this stock. So there we go. I'm gonna bring it to boil. Then I'm gonna add the rice. I don't want the rice to be soggy. Okay, the basmati rice is cooking in the goat's meat stock. So I'm starting to make my Asun sauce now. So here I have palm oil, 150 ml palm oil. This is unbleached palm oil. I don't like bleaching my palm oil. Like I said, on the channel, we encourage ourselves to eat healthy. I don't bleach my palm oil. And then I'm gonna let it mix in. I'm gonna use avocado oil as well. Just a little. Avocado is a very healthy oil as well. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna add my red onions. Yeah, we know that raw unbleached palm oil contains no trans fats and is less saturated than butter in its all divine states. You can check it out. Don't take my word for it. Check it out. It's anti-diabetic. Raw palm oil is anti-inflammatory and anti-thrombotic, just to name a few of its benefits. And it's had a unique nutty flavor to food. It's high in antioxidants. Yes, even the red onions as well. Red onions better than white onions and garlic. It has more quercetin in it, which reduces risks for heart disease, lower cholesterol, and reduce inflammation. It improves mental health and protects from liver and kidney damage. Yeah, so that is just on the benefits of palm oil and red onions. I'm going to add my Scotch bonnet in a minute. Scotch bonnets. I have diced one and roughly blended one. So I'm going to add the roughly blended one. It has bell pepper in it. I want it spicy. I like my Asun spicy, very, very spicy. So that's why I'm not going to tell you how much Scotch bonnet to put in your food. So this is Asun. It has to be very, very spicy. I'm going to fry this. Yeah, we're adding garlic and ginger paste. So I'm also going to have diced Scotch bonnets. And let it cook. Alright, let's check back on our rice. It's been 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. Yeah, Our rice is done. We want to be too what is soggy. It's done. I'm going to turn up the heat and carry on cooking my goat meat. I'm really cooking. Calm down. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of local beans, ground dried local beans. I like having the flavor in my native rice or Asun jollof rice. And a tablespoon of seasoning and spices. I'm gonna add my Asun now. The goat's meat is being pre-seasoned, cooked, grilled. So I'm adding it into it right now. You can see it's a very quick and easy meal you can make for your family. Very easy to make. Oh goodness me, this is so beautiful. A teaspoon of pink salt. Nice. So I'm going to cover up for the grilled goat's meat to soak in the pepper flavor. Just for about 5 minutes, then I'll come back to add my rice. Alright, there you go. Our Asun sauce is ready or about to ready. You can see the kind of color that is Scotch bonnet. The diced one has added to the sauce. And we know that Scotch bonnet, it has high nutritional values and great for waste management. Not to mention that they add flavor to your dishes and sauces. So we're going to add extra onions for those that want to have that crunchy bites of onions in their soup. So, and that's it. I've reduced the heat. So it's time to add our rice now. This out subduings. So we're going to finish up by garnishing spring onions and parsley, herbs, and our parsley. That's parsley. This is so beautiful. That's how to make our Asun jollof rice. And then we're gonna serve now with a cup of organic juice, fruit juice. Yeah. Alright, bring your plates and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up, like it, and put your comments, please. Put your comments. Thank you for staying to this point, but put your comments. Alright, let's have it.